When you're looking for quality outdoor electrical repair services, you've come to the right place. This guide will give you the information you need to find a qualified electrician in your area. You can also learn about the various safety precautions that you should take while working with electricity. Regardless of the nature of your outdoor electrical project, the following tips will ensure your safety. Keep reading to learn more about electrical safety and the importance of outdoor electrical repair. Before starting work, be aware of the safety precautions. While working with electricity, you should avoid touching power lines. Things like antennas and metal gutters can accidentally touch power lines. Be especially careful if you're working on a roof. Be sure to always be cautious around overhead power lines. Once you've contacted an electrician, they'll come prepared with all of the necessary tools. If you're unable to identify the type of electrical service that you need, they'll be happy to help. Before beginning any type of outdoor electrical repair project, be sure to follow safety precautions. Make sure to place the ladder on a firm surface. It's better to use a hard surface for this purpose than a soft one. A thick piece of wood is helpful for stabilizing the area underneath the ladder. While you're at it, don't forget to wear protective clothing, including eyewear and ear protection. Always use a ladder with a VLCI. Make sure to work in a well-ventilated area. Besides the safety issues, the outdoors can be dangerous for your children and pets. Outdoor electrical outlets can cause dangerous electric shocks, which can be fatal or cause serious injury. They are connected to the wiring that distributes electricity throughout the home. Therefore, it's important to cover all outdoor outlets when you cannot open them. You can also use a plug-in extension cord to charge your phone or charge your electronics. You should also use a waterproof outlet cover if your outdoor electrical outlet is located in an area where it's not always safe. If you have broken screw tabs, use a special repair tool, such as a tape and screw. These clips can repair damaged screw tabs and are great for repairing electrical wires. You may also want to check the wiring in your electrical boxes to make sure that everything is still functioning properly. However, it's worth noting that a screw clip can break in an outdoor electrical box, so it's better to be prepared for that possibility. To protect yourself from electrical shocks, be sure to use extension cords with molded connectors that won't rust. Always make sure to purchase the right lengths of outdoor extension cords to match the power requirements of the electrical products that you'll be using. You should also be sure to buy outdoor extension cords that match the capacity of the electrical products you're working with.